Now that our tow vehicle has been pulled forward, we're going to level the trailer from front to back. And we have a leveler here to help with that. So if you take a look, the bubble is up towards the front, which means the front is high. If the bubble was back here, it would mean the front is low. So we're going to lower the front until we get the bubble at the 0. This is your tongue jack. This is how you raise it and lower it. This raises the front of the trailer and lowers the front of the trailer. And this is a light that will help you at night. If you're connecting, you can turn that light on. That'll help you out. So we are going to lower the front because we're too high at the moment. Okay, we're going to press the down button until the bubble is at 0, and then we'll be level. Getting closer. A little more and we'll be good. Okay, we are perfectly level, and we are now ready to move on to the next step, where we lower our jacks and the steps.